This is a pre-built version of the application. So we'll have 4 peers in total, and 2 of those will be Python, and this is one of them, and the other one will be running in the command prompt. So let's cd to this directory where the code is, and let's set the path to where Python is on my machine, and let's run this. And another 2 will be Java peers from this prototype project that we have done before, and that is available on the channel for viewing, and also the source code for this is available for download. And we can do this since all peers, either Python or Java, will be exchanging the same JSON messages containing the username, nonce, and timestamp, and that are sent by a peer that succeeds in mining a block, and he sends it to all other peers. So this will be the first peer, first Java peer, and this is the second Java peer. And each one of the peers will pick up messages coming from all others. And let's go ahead and start mining. And this one succeeded in mining this block, and it was verified by all other peers. So hashing is taking a string of any length as input and producing a fixed length output. And here we are using SHA-256, the one used by Bitcoin, and it produces a 256-bit hash, and here, since we are displaying in base 16, we end up with a 64 characters. And for the purpose of this simple prototype application, we are taking the username plus the timestamp plus a continuously varying nonce and hashing those, and the proof of work is to have this hash be smaller than the max bound. So this max bound so we end up with this hash in base 16 that is smaller than this max bound. And this was the first peer that successfully produced that hash. So this one, for example, kept trying, but did not succeed in finding a base 16 number that is smaller than this max bound. And same for the other two verifying peers, this one and this one. So the proof of work is a piece of data which is costly and time consuming to produce, but easy for others to verify. So each one of those peers keeps trying until it succeeds or receives and validates a proof of work from one of the other peers. Now if it succeeds, then it sends its username, timestamp, and nonce to all other miners, and this is what this one did. It sends that information to all those others, and they went ahead and hashed it and verified that base 16 number is smaller than this max bound. Now the source code will be available for download. Also, a longer version will be available for watching by channel members at the senior software engineer level and above, and it will include the coding and test running of the coded application.